Nissan Infotainment systems in models like Rogue and Altima can freeze or become unresponsive. Most issues can be resolved with simple resets. We will go over the three main types of resets. Soft reboot is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory without deleting your data. Hard reset forces a deeper restart. Factory reset restores the system to its original settings, erasing personal data, so back up important data before attempting this reset. OTA updates have become standard. These updates sometimes require a manual reboot to fully apply. Resetting your system helps clear corrupted cache, reset app states, and recalibrate your touchscreen. For most issues, starting with a soft reboot or hard reset is recommended before resorting to a factory reset. To perform a soft reboot, simply hold the power button on the touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system shuts down and restarts. For a hard reset, with the ignition off, press and hold the volume and tuner knobs simultaneously for about 10 seconds. If you are doing a factory reset, navigate through the Settings menu to find the Factory Reset option. It's usually located in Settings, System, Factory Reset. Remember to confirm the reset, as it will erase all user data. After the reset, allow the system some time to reboot fully. If the issues persist after trying these resets, it could indicate a hardware failure. For example, a faulty touchscreen might require professional repair or module replacement. Always consult your Nissan dealership for further assistance and before doing a factory reset.